me ask you something honestly. Can you understand English when you listen? Can you watch English videos? Can you read English posts on social media? But when someone asks a question in English, your mind becomes blank. If yes, you are not weak. You are just stuck in a system that doesn't teach English. Today I will show you your problems in 5 simple words. Hello everyone, this is Abhay and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss we understand English but we can't speak English fluently. Why and how? Today I will show you your problems in 5 simple words. Number 1, input. Number 2, translate. Number 3, peer. Number 4, silence. Number 5, flow. This is a real English journey for every English learners. Let's start these problems in simple ways, how and why to resolve. The first word is input. Why do you understand English? Because every day you receive YouTube videos, reels, movies, subtitles in movies, English songs, English posts. This way, like that process you do every day, your brain gets a lot of English words, a lot of information in your mind. This is called input, and input builds recognition, but speaking needs production. Think about a child. A baby listens for 1 year before speaking. But when the baby starts, the baby doesn't worry about grammar. The baby just starts speaking English. You are stuck because you are always listening. You are not trying to speak. Second word is translate. This is the biggest fluency killer. You think in your mother tongue first and then you try to change it into English. This process creates delay, confusion, stress, fear. Do you know that fluent speakers don't translate? They think directly in English. To do this, you must practice simple English thinking. For example, I'm hungry. I want to go to the cafe. Like that. Try to speak in simple ways. Start from simple thoughts. Third word is fear. Fear of mistakes, fear of accent, fear of lack of vocabulary, fear of wrong pronunciation. But remember, every good speaker was once a bad speaker like you. In my opinion, you don't need perfect grammar. You just need to start speak. Confidence. You need confidence to speak English. Whatever wrong, but you need to start to speak because wrong English becomes right English with practice. Fourth word is silence. This is where most English learners live. They know the answer, but they don't say it. Do you know that what they do? They wait for perfect sentence. But English doesn't grow in silence. It grows in use. Remember every broken English words, sentence, phrases builds fluency. Final word is flow. Flow comes when you stop translating, when you listen carefully, when you stop fearing, when you start to speak. Fluency is a skill. If you keep practice, you will be fluent. Fluency is not magic. It is a daily courage. It is a daily recharge. It is a daily booster. Speak a little every day and your English will start flowing. So always remember these 5 words: input, translate, peer, silence, and flow. If you are new here and you haven't subscribed my channel, you can subscribe now and let's practice daily together to become fluent speaker. Thank you.